Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here's a collection of some new old stock patches for the Yankee, back from American Aviation, Grumman American, Gulfstream American. We have Traveler patches, placards, a Cougar patch, energy efficient patches, some in cloth, some you stick on. So stay tuned as we explore this pile of new old stock from the 70s. Thanks, Ken.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So let's zoom in on some of the Yankee stuff. There's a Yankee Star button. That's all it really is. And then there was a button when I've seen the Yankee to help, drive more force to get people back in the day to go forward. And then American always had the button for the Yankee Star, the American for Adventure. And of course, there were key rings for them too, the American Aviation Corporation. But now let's explore some of the other items that they had. So they had a few other little cloth patches. They had a tiger running. They had the Yankee Star with a pair of wings, and they had a big Yankee Star cloth patch you could sew on. And then they had, a couple of other little items that you could put on your clothing. They really promoted the Yankee probably because it was their first airplane. But then they also had the energy efficient. These are just decals you put on a window. There's a cloth patch for that. And then they had the little shortened wings right there for energy efficient. They wanted to let you know how far a Grumman went compared to other airplanes on fuel. And then there's an American Aviation Corporation Yankee authorized dealer. Ken had one of those. And then for patches, there was the Grumman American cloth patch, and then there's also the Gulfstream American cloth patch. But you can see there's the American, which was the original cloth patch from American Aviation, and then they became Grumman American, and then finally they morphed into Gulfstream American, and of course there's a cloth patch for that. And these are all in the archive from Ken, and nice to have them. Want to show them with y'all. Now they have a couple of Yankee key rings. Another Yankee key ring, and then there was a Gulfstream American key ring. And then they also had a few things for a different aircraft. They had the Traveler. That was a decal that went on the outside of the fuselage. That was American Aviation. And then you also had the Grumman American Cougar that had that. And there's a cloth patch for the Grumman Cougar. So, ladies and gentlemen, they made quite a bit of marketing material for the line back in the day. So we hope you found this look into the past useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a fun day with your Grumman. Thanks again, folks. Lily, is that zucchini tasty?
I landed you.